In South Korea, there is a pastor who built a box in a wall to save babies from death. Not one baby, not 10 babies, but thousands of babies. Who is he? Why is he doing this? And how does the box in the wall save 1,000 babies? In this small house in South Korea, we found this guy.
안녕하세요. 두사람 공동체 교회 이정락 목사입니다. 저희들 가족은 장애아동 16명 함께 아버지로 생활하고 있고요.
30 years ago, Pastor Lee had a baby of his own who was born with complications. Because of that, Pastor Lee spent a lot of hours in the hospitals. And there, he was shocked to see so many abandoned babies. Mothers would leave their babies in the hospitals, on the streets, and sometimes even in the trash can because they were too scared of society. To make things worse, some of these babies were a result of teenage pregnancy or even rape.
연모들이 마음 놓고 안전하게 아이를 키울 수 있는 환경과 현실이 아니에요. 또 문화가 아니에요. 이 문화가 바뀌지 않고는 싱글 마음들이 아이를 안전하게 키울 수 있는 그런 제도가 안 돼 있어요.
And that's where Pastor Lee comes in. He could not let any more babies die, so he created the baby box. It's a small hole in the wall by his church where women could come in secret, open the door, place the baby in the box, and leave. The weight of the baby will sound the alarm to Pastor Lee, and in 10 seconds or less, someone will come, collect the baby, and take care of it. He will feed them, take care of them, make sure they're healthy before sending them to an orphanage where they can find a new home.
남한테 이야기하고 싶은 것은 그냥 담대하게 살아라. 자책감 하지 마라. 이 아이는 잘 크고 있다. 그리고 훌륭하게 자랄 거다. 그러니 엄마가 이 아이를 위해서 기도하는 엄마가 되었으면 좋겠다.
Without Pastor Lee, these babies could have died.
한참 동안 많이 정부하고 싸웠어요. 밖에 아이들이 많이 죽으니까 밖에 죽지 않게 해서 유기하지 말고 베이비박스 안에 갖다 놓으면 아이들이 안전하게 보호받는다.
But Pastor Lee isn't just saving the baby, he's also trying to save the mother. He gives them financial help, he gives them counseling, and most importantly, he gives them love and support so they know it's okay to be a single mother, it's okay to go against the taboo.
이구동성으로 다 하는 엄마의 말이 내가 너를 지키지 못해서 미안하다. 정말 미안하다. 그리고 목사님 잘 부탁합니다. 이 아이를 잘 부탁합니다. 이런 정도예요.
Pastor Lee has been doing this for 11 years straight. He has saved 1,594 babies exactly, and he counseled hundreds of other women. Pastor Lee is doing positive work, but the reality remains sad. It's sad that we live in a world where the only option for a woman is to get rid of her own child, sometimes in a trash can. We need to build a better world where no mother is scared and no baby is left in a box. YouTube! If you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. NAS Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there is real people from the NAS Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do, give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And NAS Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.